Tari from ABI, and oh my gosh, do I have an amazing home tour for you today. I'm at Lumiere House, which is by Projection Built and Maven Home. It's art deco meets a luxe coastal vibe. It is absolutely amazing and I'm so excited to show you inside. How amazing is this living room? I'm so obsessed with this curved lounge. It's got this stunning fluted detail along the front. You'll find out that's a bit of a feature in this home. And I love how it's paired with these velvet chairs. It's just beautiful. Okay, walking into the dining room, and the first thing that just really hits you in the face is how spacious it is. Check out these amazing windows up here. It's so bright and light. Got this gorgeous round dining table, and then I'm obsessed with this little use of space here. This little triangle seat looking out over the pool. What a spot to just read a book and chill out. Moving into the kitchen. How's this fluted marble? Holy wow. It goes all along the bench top here. It is so bold. This whole space is very geometric, and then you've got the brush brass tapware, the sink, and it just ties in so well with these funky little lights up here. What a space. So we've got a few options now. We could go downstairs to the boys' bedrooms and bathrooms. There's a guest suite on this level, or there's a master bedroom upstairs. I'm thinking upstairs. Welcome to the master bedroom. Guarantee you're going to be impressed with the ensuite, so go take a look. Not one word of a lie, I think this might be one of my favourite bathrooms I've ever been in. I never would have picked these green tiles to match so well with the brass, but it really does, and oh my gosh, the curves, the curves, the curves. Keep up, we're gonna go check out the guest bathroom. So this is the guest bedroom, and isn't it just gorgeous? The ensuite is just around over there. Okay, so we're gonna head downstairs now. First we've got the laundry, and then we've got the boys' bedrooms down there as well. Let's go. Okay, so we're finally downstairs. We've got the living area here. This is the pink bathroom, so it's still got that fluted detailing. Beautiful Lola basin. It's one of my faves. This is an absolute kid's palace, and how beautiful is the bathroom? Are you guys ready to end with a bang? This is the best part of the house in my opinion. This place has its own fully equipped bar area. It is an amazing entertaining space. Isn't this cool? This curved island bench top, the row upon row of glassware. It even has an indoor barbecue. Thanks for coming on this house tour of Lumiere House with us today. It's been absolutely amazing. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe. I think it's about time for me to pour myself a glass of red and enjoy this beautiful view.